In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio spectrum in CapCut. Whether you're a content creator looking to give your videos a fresh, dynamic touch, or simply exploring creative ways to enhance your edits, audio spectrums are an amazing tool to visually represent sound. They add that extra layer of engagement, making your videos more vibrant and professional, and the best part, CapCut makes it super simple to create and customize them. If you don't already have the CapCut app, you can download it for free from your device's app store. Now, let's dive in and get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Give it a moment to load up, so you're greeted with the home screen. Once it's ready, look for the Create New button right there on the main screen. Tap on it to start a brand new project. This step is important because it sets up a clean, empty workspace where you can focus entirely on building your video from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a layout for your project here. Select the blank canvas option. By doing this, you're starting with a completely plain workspace, giving you full control over every design element you add. It's the perfect starting point for a custom project like this. Now, it's time to bring in your video. Tap on the Select a Video option, and this will open up your media library. From here, browse through your files and choose the video clip you want to use. Once you've made your selection, CapCut will automatically place the video onto your canvas. At this point, you should see your clip loaded and ready for editing. Let's move on to adding the audio spectrum. To do this, locate the Elements option in the editor's toolbar. Depending on your version of CapCut, this might appear as shapes, effects, or a similar visual icon, so keep an eye out for it. Once you're in the Elements section, use the search bar to look up Audio. This will filter the options down to audio-related elements, saving you time and helping you find exactly what you need. Now, scroll through the available options and pick an audio spectrum effect that matches your style. You'll find a variety of choices here. Some are simple and minimal, while others are colorful or even dramatic. Choose the one that best fits the overall vibe you're going for in your video. Once you've found the perfect effect, tap on it to add it to your canvas. You'll notice that the spectrum overlay appears on top of your video. It's a great feature, but to make it work, ensure your video clip contains music or some kind of sound. This is because CapCut's audio spectrum effects sync automatically to the audio track in your video. Without sound, the spectrum won't react. Now, let's refine the placement and appearance of your audio spectrum. Resize it by dragging the edges and position it anywhere on the canvas. For a classic look, you might want to place it at the bottom of the video. If you're aiming for something more eye-catching, try centering it or experimenting with different positions. After positioning the spectrum, it's time to customize its settings. Tap on the spectrum to open the adjustment options. Here you can edit things like the color and animation speed. For instance, you might choose a vibrant color to match the energy of your music, or slow down the animation for a more relaxed feel. Play around with these settings until the spectrum perfectly complements your video. Finally, preview your project to make sure everything looks and sounds just right. Hit the play button to see how the audio spectrum syncs with your music or sound effects. If it aligns with the overall vibe of your video, you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully added an audio spectrum to your video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.